Living in Miami Beach means enjoying sunshine, coastal breezes, and beautiful views, but it also means dealing with intense heat, humidity, and high energy costs throughout much of the year. For homeowners looking to keep their homes cooler and more comfortable without relying heavily on air conditioning, energy-efficient awning windows offer a practical and stylish solution. Awning windows are designed to open outward from the top, creating a small canopy effect that allows fresh air to flow in while still blocking out rain and harsh sun. When paired with modern energy efficiency features, they become one of the smartest window upgrades for Miami Beach homes. Here's how these windows help boost comfort and control cooling costs all year long. Designed for maximum ventilation, even during rain. One of the greatest advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide ventilation during nearly any weather condition. Because the sash opens outward from the top, the open window forms a protective shield that allows air to enter while keeping rain out. In Miami Beach, where short, sudden rain showers are part of everyday life, this is a major benefit. Homeowners can enjoy natural breezes without worrying about water entering the home or needing to constantly adjust the windows. Better airflow means cooler indoor temperatures, reduced reliance on air conditioning, less trapped humidity inside the home. This natural ventilation is especially valuable in coastal climates where fresh air makes living spaces feel lighter and more comfortable. Energy-efficient glass protects against heat and sunlight. Miami Beach sunlight is beautiful, but it can quickly heat up interiors and stress cooling systems. Energy-efficient awning windows use advanced glazing technologies designed to block unwanted heat while still letting in daylight. Key features often include low emissivity glass coatings that reflect heat, multiple glass panes for better insulation, argon or krypton gas fills between panes to limit heat transfer, UV protection that reduces fading of floors and furniture. These technologies keep your home cooler naturally, even on the hottest days. Tight seals that improve efficiency and comfort. Because awning windows lock tightly into place when closed, they offer excellent insulation and prevent air leakage, a critical factor in Miami Beach's hot, humid environment. This tight seal provides reduced warm air infiltration, improved cooling efficiency, fewer hot spots near windows, lower energy bills throughout the year. Well-installed awning windows are especially effective in bedrooms, living areas, kitchens, and bathrooms where temperature stability matters most. Perfect for smaller or hard-to-reach spaces, awning windows work well in areas where ventilation is needed but space is limited. Their design makes them ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, hallways, high wall placements, areas near furniture or countertops. These strategic placements help improve air circulation throughout the entire home, contributing to a more consistent indoor temperature. A coastal-friendly design that withstands Miami Beach weather. Miami Beach homes must withstand coastal winds, salt air, humidity, and intense sunlight. Fortunately, modern awning windows are built with durable, weather-resistant materials such as vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, composite frames. These materials resist warping, corrosion, and swelling, problems common with older, less efficient windows in coastal locations. Energy-efficient awning windows don't just keep your home cool, they also stay beautiful and functional for many years. A stylish upgrade that adds value and restores comfort. Awning windows offer a sleek, modern aesthetic that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Their design pairs beautifully with Miami Beach architecture, from modern coastal homes to renovated historic properties. Upgrading to energy-efficient awning windows also provides increased home value, reduced cooling costs, enhanced comfort, improved airflow and lighting. Homebuyers in coastal cities appreciate homes with upgraded, efficient windows, making this project a smart long-term investment. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient awning windows are an ideal choice for Miami Beach homeowners who want to enjoy natural ventilation, improved comfort, and lower cooling costs. With advanced insulation, UV protection, and weather-friendly materials, they help keep homes cool year-round, even under Florida's most intense conditions. If you're looking to enhance your home's comfort and coastal style, Upgrading to modern awning windows is a smart, value-boosting decision.